Okay, real quick, YouTube. I looked up a bunch of videos. I could not find anything on a starter replacement for a 2014 Dodge Journey with a 3.6 liter. So I had to figure it out on my own. You can see right in here, there's a couple bolts for the exhaust. And it looks like you're supposed to take the exhaust off, but I found out you can do it without pulling the exhaust off. So I'll have to tighten that back up here in a few minutes. But starter sits above this brace and behind the starter, so it's a pain in the ass to get to. So what I ended up doing was I pulled that motor mount off. It's a couple of 15mm bolts here, 4 total. And other than that, you just push the starter back out of its hole and wiggle it down out this way. It's kind of a pain in the ass, but it's possible. So if you're competent, you can do it in about 2 hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back together.